there, I think.
Whatever you do, don't back up on me.
No, I'm stopped.
Keep your foot on the brake. Jeez.
Yeah, it's kind of hard working two cameras, but
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm like videotaping one and taking pictures of the other one.
My biggest problem right now is I can't see the road.
You want a guide?
I'm gonna need one, yeah.
I made it look easy, didn't I?
Oh, fucking yeah, you did. Nobody was watching.
Except me. Camera. Except me. Okay. Before you start it, John. Come straight ahead.
Oh.
Hold on. Where can I stand in between? Okay.
Jesus.
You sure now?
You gotta come ahead. Turn a little bit.
Everything's locked in. Yep. Okay, here we go.
Oh, straight. Get coming. Yeah, turn it a little bit. Turn more. Go. Straight.
Oh, that's so fucking close, man.
Yay.
Now, how was that? I wish I had the camera up here. I should have took pictures of your front suspension. Don't go back.
Okay, hold on. Let me get. We'll do it again. He's crazy enough.
I had both players airlocked in.
No. That was kind of cool, isn't it?
That was too easy.
Wait till we get to the top. That poor bastard's gonna go.
The only problem is you can't see.
I did with them, guys.
Yeah, I don't know how, but you did.
I do.
Well, you're wide too, so you can.
You gotta learn where your feet are.